Hello everyone, welcome to the third lecture of Learning for JavaScript Step by Step. My name is Sarfaraz Kasmani from NST Infotech, and today we are going to learn what are variables. Like any other programming languages, JavaScript also has a variable and it is used to store data which can be used later. Okay, say for example var. Now what is var? Var is a keyword that tells JavaScript that you are declaring a variable, and now x is the name of the variable. Okay, equal to is an operator that tells JavaScript that a value is coming up next, and 25 is the value for the variable to store. Okay, and now I'll be putting a semicolon. Guys, please remember that every statement in JavaScript should be ended with a semicolon, so please don't forget to put a semicolon. And now I will print this variable. Okay, document dot write variable x colon, and I'll save this and I'll refresh this. So if you can see here, 25 has been printed. Now this value has been stored in this variable, so whatever value I give, it will show here. Okay, so right now it is changing to 30. Okay, so there is one more method of writing this code, that is, let me remove this first. Okay, there is one more method which is var x. This is declaring and initializing variable without assigning value. Okay, this is the comment. Okay, and now we are assigning a value. So if you want to declare a variable, so first you need to declare it, then later on you can assign a value to it. Now I'll be assigning the value x equals to 25. This is assigning a value to it, to variable x. Okay, now I'll print variable x. Let me save it. When I refresh it, the value shows me 25, so it is printing 25. So this is the second way of writing the code. Guys, you can declare multiple variables using same var key. Let me show you an example. Let me remove this first. Var I'll give the name of the variable, name, comma, amount, semicolon. Now we have declared two variables. Okay, now I will assign the value for name equals to John, semicolon, and amount, so amount should be 250. Okay, let's keep it 250. And now I'll print this document dot write name, semicolon. Let me refresh it. So if you can see, John has been printed. So you can declare multiple variables. So this is also one more method of writing the code. And guys, moving ahead, I'll tell you that you should never redeclare the same variable twice. Okay, let's say for example, let me remove this, var x equals to hello world. Okay, now you have given the value hello world to variable x. Okay, Now you are redeclaring the same variable with the value 25. Okay, let me save this, let me print it. Document dot write to x. Let me save this, and if you can if I refresh it, if you will see that 25 has been printed. Now the value of hello world has been override by 25. So this should not happen while writing a code. So it's better you structure your name of the variables before you start any project. So please keep that in mind. Okay, so moving ahead, we will see the name, giving name to a variable. Okay, uh, name of the variable must start with small letters from A to Z, or from capital letters A to Z, or with an underscore, or with a dollar sign. Okay, say for example, let me remove this. Okay, save. Now this is a small x and this is a small x. Okay, so this, if I print this, it will show hello world, so that is fine. You can put a capital X, and here also you can put capital X, and if I save it, it will work fine. And you can put an underscore before the letter. Here also you can put underscore before the letter. Okay, so this will also work fine. Now you can put a dollar sign. You can put a dollar sign here, and this will also work fine. And you can put numbers after the letters. Okay, you can put numbers. If I put x1, and here also if I put x1, it should work fine. Okay, the invalid name of the variables are like, suppose if you put 1 before the letter, so if I save it and if I refresh it, you will see nothing is going to print because this is an invalid variable name. So please keep in mind that numbers should come before, should come after the letters, and should not come before the letters. Okay, and you should not put any anything like at the rate. Okay, so if I save it and if I refresh, it won't show anything. So these are the methods of naming a variables. Okay, so just keep that in mind, that you should use it is important to remember this stuff. Okay, and one more thing guys, JavaScript variables are case sensitive. So for example, if you put var x and if you print it capital X, then it won't show any value because JavaScript considers the small x and this capital X as a different variable. So if you are declaring a variable as a small x, so you should print as small x only. So now it will show you hello world. So these are the important things you should remember while writing the name of the variable. Okay, and there's one more thing which I wanted to tell you guys. There are reserved words in JavaScript which cannot be used as variable. So for example, we cannot use word called function. Say for example, if I write function and if I print function here, so it won't show me anything because these are the reserved words in JavaScript. Okay, and there are many more reserved words in JavaScript. You can check the link in the description. I have put it on my blog, so you can just check it. Okay guys, so that's it for this lecture, and see you in the next lecture. Till then, take care and bye bye.